Happy Thursday, 7th graders. So good to see you. I want to start off with Psalm 104. It's known as a creation psalm. And if you start at the top of 104 and go through it, you just see all parts of creation talked about. Light, winds, water, mountains, thunder, valleys, beasts, donkeys, birds, branches, cattle, sun, moon, the cedars of Lebanon, goats. It goes on. And then verse 24, it says this: How many are your works, O Lord? In wisdom you made them all. Yesterday was Earth Day. I know you did some things in your science classes to celebrate Earth Day, the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. We are studying a beautiful part of God's creation. And it's so important for us as Christians to lead the way in this area that, yes, the creation is awesome, but the creation points us to the Creator. And that is who we should worship. And out of our love and gratitude to the Creator, we take care of the creation that He's put us in charge of. So may we continue to stand in awe of God's creation. In classroom today, you see your to-do list. After you watch this instructional video, you're going to use page 142 to 147. So you're going to need your textbook today to complete the attached vocab word slideshow. We are a little bit behind in this. We're going to just kind of do it all together, but you're going to start on this today. It says create one slide for each of the following vocab words. So these are all of the vocab words that we have been studying so far in this unit: isthmus, archipelago, tectonic plates, ecosystem, deforestation, fertile, tourism, and canopy. And what you are going to do is one word per slide. So this will be a slide for isthmus, the very first word. What do you have to have on each slide? You need to have the word, the definition of that word, and I gave you the page number right where to find it. Use the word in a sentence and have it relate to our unit. So what is an example of an isthmus in our unit that we are studying? And then a picture. Again, insert image, search the web, and use the picture in context with this unit. So what does it have to do with this unit? So I want you to just do the first 8. We will tackle these 2 tomorrow when we do lesson 4. So saving I and J for tomorrow. We're just going to get caught up and do A through H today. I also have a slide here at the end called Friday's Notes. You don't need to know that for now. We're just doing the first 8 words. So you will be graded on obviously having all of these things on your slide, but also creativity, readability, and of course grammar and punctuation and capitalization. So be part geographer, part graphic designer, and create something that's going to help you really learn and remember these vocabulary words. Just A through H for today. And that's all that you have to do for me. My contact information is in classroom, so go ahead and contact me. I'd love for you just to even stop and say hi in my Google Meet today. Even if you don't have a question, just stop and say hi. I'd love to chat. Keep up the great work, Chargers. So proud of you. Have a great day.